heading over to Buford Highway Farmers Market in Georgia. My buddy and his family came over from Louisiana to hike, but it's raining a lot. So we're just gonna show a little bit of Georgia. Georgia, aka Buford Highway Farmers Market, the best thing in Georgia, and the Lenox Mall. Another thing to do when it rains.
This vlog is just gonna be Hannah. Only Hannah. Hannah.
Oh yes. Mukbang. Mukbang. We met the main character, Hannah.
This is Hannah.
Who is that?
16 pounds. Sign right there. That's a good sign. That's on sale. Big time. I'm sure they sell food things here too.
I was reading an article somewhere like apparently everything.
I mean, these are just, you know, standard Korean, Japanese snacks.
What is it?
It's a blueberry cracker. It has rice.
I guess it's just rice, same thing as yesterday. She was
Same
eating
thing
rice this
pretty
morning.
much as yesterday. It's a rice cake. They make the dough, but instead of baking it, they steam it. It comes out to be like this.
I'm getting potato chips.
Kaja.
Gotcha. I thought
You getting more?
I'm just getting some potato chips. So noodles?
Some of them are bad. We tried like a beer one time.
The beer chip tasted just like beer. It was
Yeah, I didn't like it.
weird.
Janet ended up buying 4 chips.
They're small bags. Variety is the spice of life.
Okay, one bad thing is the line. Look at all these people.
Look how delicious that looks.
She needs to get it. Sweet potato, brown sugar. How is it?
Good.
This one is mapo tofu taste. Citron flavor.
That tastes like that beef broth ramen.
How do you like japchae? First time.
Big fan.
Big fan?
Big
All
fan.
right, that's good.
That one doesn't really have a flavor.
This one don't have much flavor.
This one.
That's the mapo tofu. What's your favorite one?
Give me a
Oh
bite.
no, I kind of like this boat. Oops, I like this boat noodle.
Is that zucchini? Is that real noodle?
Ah.
That's good. That bite pork that
Thai boat noodle.
This is cheaper here. Like a lot cheaper. This would have probably been like 18 and 19.
Yeah, I think so. Other places too here, but this place is super cheap. This cheese stuff is pretty good. I don't know if I tried this one. This mapo tofu one.
That is good. Looks like pho.
And that one just tastes like it needs salsa.
It tastes like Chinese mala, the spice. IKEA tour with Janet, the IKEA expert. 공짜. Try it. How is it?
It's a gingerbread.
Veggie dog.
So good. It's not the same without it. I need it.
Not bad.
It tastes good though for like a snack food. Made a barbecue salmon.
Bye bye.